Hey guys, Apple here at Icon Bali, a new mall that just opened in June. Let's explore what's inside. Let's split them into clothing, entertainment, restaurants, and a few more that I don't know how to categorize. Let's start with clothing. So you get Birkenstock, Foot Locker, Zuma, Converse, Asics, Aldo, Vans, Sports Station, Skechers, Melissa Club, Tropecia, Giordano, Casa Moda, Steve Madden, Capali, Tommy Hilfiger, Nico, Lacoste, Calvin Klein, New Era, Emporio Armani, Bamboo Blonde, Mango, Ted Baker, Marks & Spencer, and Fred Perry. And a few other that are cosmetics or not yet open, like Michael Kors, Arjuna, Sephora, Panlandu, MAC, Sociola, and Swarovski. Shopping's not your thing? Well, they got a huge time zone arcade here. Go ahead and throw your kids there while they have fun and potentially form a gambling addiction. Just make sure they never stop, because 99% of gamblers quit before they hit big. Don't worry, I'm sure they'll be fine. Anyways, there's a theater right in front of it. Let's go watch a movie. Now, guess how much a ticket is here in Bali, Indonesia? It's only 50,000 IDR. If you compare that to Australia or the US, it's a steal. You can go for a movie marathon during your time here without burning a hole in your wallet. There's a kids station, sell toys, Nerf guns, Gunpla, dolls, Play-Doh, and alright, Lego. But if you're gonna buy Lego, just go to the Lego store. There's nothing much to say, it's just Lego. We got restaurants like Appetiten, Häagen-Dazs, 4, Starbucks, Dairy Baguette, Excelso, Gyukaku, don't know how to pronounce, Johnny Rocket, Falalala, Sour Sally, Bibimbap, Pepper Lunch, Kimikatsu, Yakuniku like, Cold Stone, Subway, Juice, Banan Kuning, and ramen. In the bottom section, there's also a river market. All of them sell food, but it's not really a river market, it's just stores built on like 2-inch layers of water, and they're not even floating either, they're actually connected to the floors. So, fake. Lastly, to the other section. So this part is either I don't know how to categorize or I'm just too lazy. We got Chili Beans, Optic Malawai, The Body Shop, Sensatia, Playworks, Urban Republic, Samsung, Digimap, Guardian, Watsons, Bali Home Industry. Now, this one here sells Bali Indonesian souvenirs, and so does Krishna Ole Ole Bali, Travel Experience, Thule, Back City, Flying Tiger. Flying Tiger is a variety store from Denmark. I really like the stuff they sell here. It's very fun. One of the cooler aspects about this mall is its designs. They have this staircase in the middle of the mall where people can sit and just relax. And some of their walls have this very cool designs. I believe it's supposed to be an elevator because they have the door and they have the warning sign, but nothing's built yet. There's a walkway that leads to the beach right in front of the mall. And there's a DJ playing and people dancing on this specific day. Not sure it's an event or they do this every day. Pretty cool though. They also have a traditional dance event going on where people can take pictures of the dancers. Also, the owner of this mall is the same as the owner of Market City. So they built a Market City in this mall in Bali, which just so happens to be the very first Market City ever opened in Bali. And I live here, and it's been 3 months since I paid my rent. And oh, the pink guy you saw just now, he was here to collect the rent. But yeah, he's never gonna find me. I'm hidden well behind this bus. Oh, how did you find me? Please, give me more time! No!